Hello guys, welcome back to Minteq channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at the cloud mining sites. First things first, you are going to be greeted with the sign up page. So basically all you have to do is to input your email address, enter your password and put an invitation code. I am going to put an invitation code in the description, so don't forget to copy that and paste it as your invitation code. So I'm basically just going to sign up or log in into the accounts right now. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard, and basically you can see an option to deposit and withdraw first, and next you see your language, your sign in, your team and total assets. As you can see, I have currently invested on this platform, hence why I have 39.68 USDT in my total assets. So if you basically look at this site more, you can see everything they have to offer. You can see their investment plans. The first investment plan you see is the USDT 1 day. So for this, the minimum investment amount is 10 USDT and you get a 4.85% daily interest rate. So let's basically click on invest and see how that works. So if I click on invest now and I use 10 USDT, I'm going to get 0.48 USDT daily. Yes, daily guys, but this is basically for those who don't like investing long term and just want to invest short term and remove their money as soon as possible. So let's go back to the other investment. So secondly, you can see the USDT 4 days. For this, the daily interest is 5.2%. So and the minimum investment is 10 USDT. For all their plans, the minimum investment is 10 USDT. For the 4 days plan, if you invest 10 USDT, you are going to get 5.2% of 10 USDT daily. So for 4 days, you are going to get 5.2% of 10 USDT. And if we move upwards, you see the USDT 9 days, which is 8.8% daily interest. We see the 16 days, which is 15.5%. So it goes on and on. They have the 32 days, they have the 60 days, they have the 180 days. So if you prefer investing for a longer period of time, the 180 days is the one for you. But for me, I invested in the USDT 9 days, which means I'm getting 8.8% daily interest. So if you go to my account, you can see my balance. So I deposited 22 USDT. So my 22 USDT was put in the 9 days plan. So after 9 days, I'm going to have a profit of 17.58 USDT. Yes guys, I'm going to have a profit of 17.58 USDT. So I'm basically going to be coming back to the channel and giving updates on the site, and when I eventually withdraw, I'm going to come and drop another update, so stay tuned for that. So let's take a look at other things available on the site. So if you want to deposit, all you have to do is to click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, it's going to load for a couple of minutes, and voila, as you can see, we've been given a USDT address, TRC20 address that we're going to deposit into. So all you have to do is to copy the address, go to your Trust Wallet or Binance and paste it there and put the amount you want to deposit. But don't forget, the minimum deposit amount is 10 USDT, so don't deposit less than 10 USDT. So if you go to my withdrawal history, you see that I deposited 22 USDT on the 16th of March. Yes, I deposited 22 USDT on the 16th of March, and that is basically what I used to invest. So if you want to withdraw also, it's basically similar, it's almost the same thing. All you have to do is to click on withdrawals. Once you click on withdrawal, you have to set your transaction password. So you just go to setting, set your transaction password. I don't want to set it at the moment, so all you have to do is set your 6 digits transaction password. So it has to all be numbers, so you have to use 6 numbers and you confirm your password. So let's go back. So if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is to put the amount you want to withdraw. For example, if you have 10 USDT, all you have to do is to click on 10, and all you have to do is click here for the amount, and for here you are going to put your payments password. So that's basically all. I'm going to keep coming back to show you guys new things I find out about the site, and I've made my own research about the site. And if you also want to invest, I advise you make your own research before you invest. Please do not forget, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy. I see sites that work and I make videos about them to educate people more on the site. I'm also in the phase of trial and error, so I can be wrong sometimes, but for this I have invested and I am hopefully going to get my profits after 9 days. So I'm going to be back and give you an update of this site. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.